Guys, I've got a really exciting video for you today. It's a brand new release from LaVivid. It's called the Mars. I'm getting it cut in tomorrow, but in today's video, I'm going to be basically showing you the characteristics of this hair system, what makes it a little bit different to other hair systems, and why it could be absolutely perfect as your next hair system. Now, of course, from tomorrow, it will be on my head, but I tell you what, first impressions really matter. Now, this is a Swiss lace. Now, Swiss lace is the ultimate in comfort on your scalp. It's really great as well if you've got sensitive skin. What I have noticed is slightly different to other systems that I've worn in the past, is at the back, it has these strips of poly that you can see just around the back and the sides. And this can be really great if you want to use tape on the base, any sort of tape, and it reduces the amount of hair that's actually pulled through the system, which can actually be quite normal, quite usual as a lace base gets older. So there's going to be less shedding that comes from tape when you're removing and rebonding the system. Secondly, most importantly, you've got your bleached knots, but you've also got this stunning graduated hairline right at the front. And by graduated, I mean that it progressively gets thicker the further you move back through the system. So it kind of looks as close to natural hair as you could possibly imagine. So at the front, it's about an 85% density. And then as it goes further back the system, it becomes like a 90. I think it goes up to a 90. It doesn't go higher than that. But I really love and I'm really excited to see how that graduated hairline looks on my scalp. Of course, the knots are bleached as well. And by bleached knots, I mean it literally looks like it's coming out of your scalp. So basically where the hair is knotted to the base at the bottom, that bit is bleached. So it literally looks as if it's coming out of your head. So if you like having your hair up, if you like the wind in your hair, if you like a system to feel breathable, this could be the system for you. Another thing I've noticed, which I really quite like, is it has a very natural crown in the middle. Sometimes with systems, you can find that the crown is a little bit too central or it just moves one way. This crown has a real natural appearance to it. You have hair going like multiple different ways as you would on a normal head of hair, someone whose natural hair is coming out of their scalp. Guys, I'm really impressed by what I've seen from this system so far. I cannot wait to have it fitted and put on my head. I'd like to say as a last point as well, if your lifestyle is a big component in how you choose a hair system, if you've got a very active lifestyle where you sweat a heck of a lot, you go to the gym, or you live in a really hot climate and you need the ultimate in breathability from your system, so you basically can perspire without being worried that it might smell a little bit, or you might get sweat caught under the system. It doesn't happen. It won't happen with this particular system. Now, lastly, in terms of color, there are 5 color options available at the moment because it's very new to the market. One of them is 7 Ash, which luckily is my color. So if this is a system that you are considering yourself, I'd ask you to do 2 things. Number 1, wait for my next video to come out, but make sure you click the link for this particular system, which is popping up on the screen right now. And I want you to make sure that they have your color in stock. And if you've watched this video and you feel like this system is ticking a lot of boxes for you, make sure you use that 15% discount code that I've negotiated with LaVivid. It's Adam15. It can save you a lot of money and you can use it as many times as you like. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to see how this looks on my head, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and tune in the next few days where you'll see this on my head.